Welcome to another edition of Easy English Talk. In this edition, we will cover common topics of English conversation. So let's get started.
Hey, David. Do you use a lot of apps on your phone?
Yeah, I use some. Mostly for chatting and watching videos.
Me too. But there are so many apps. Sometimes I don't know which ones are useful.
Same. What apps do you use the most?
I use a messaging app to talk to my friends. And I use a map app when I go somewhere new.
Oh, I love map apps. They help me when I get lost.
Do you get lost a lot?
Yeah, all the time. That's why I always need a good map app.
What about social media? Do you use any apps for that?
Yeah, I use an app to share photos and videos. I like seeing what my friends are doing.
Me too. But sometimes I spend too much time on it.
Same here. I check my phone, and suddenly, 1 hour is gone.
Yes. It happens to me too. I try to use a timer app to stop me from using my phone too much.
Oh, that's a good idea. Does it work?
Sometimes. But sometimes I just turn off the timer and keep using my phone.
That sounds like me. Do you have any favorite game apps?
Yes. I play puzzle games when I'm bored. What about you?
I like racing games. They are really fun.
Oh, I'm not good at racing games. I always crash the car.
You just need more practice.
Maybe. Do you use any apps to learn new things?
Yes. I use a language app to practice Spanish.
That's great. I use a language app too. It helps me learn new words.
Learning with an app is so easy. You can do it anywhere.
Yes. I also use a cooking app to find new recipes.
Really? That sounds useful. Maybe I should try that too.
You should. It shows you step by step how to cook different meals.
Nice. What other apps do you like?
I use a shopping app when I want to buy something online.
Oh, I use one too. It's so easy to buy things with just one click.
Yes, but sometimes I buy too much.
Me too. I have to be careful.
Phones are so helpful, but we have to use them wisely.
Yes. Maybe I need an app to help me stop using my phone too much.
Me too. Hey, David. Do you know how to get to the new coffee shop?
I think it's near the park, but I'm not sure.
I have a map app on my phone. Let's check.
Good idea. I always get confused with directions.
Me too. But maps help a lot.
Okay, what does the map say?
It says we need to walk 2 blocks straight, then turn left.
2 blocks straight, then left. Got it.
After that, we walk past the library. Then we turn right.
So, straight, left, past the library, then right?
Yes. And then the coffee shop is on the right side of the street.
Sounds easy. But what if we get lost?
We can check the map again.
True. But I like to ask people for directions too.
That's a good idea. Some people know the area better than a map.
Yes. One time, my map said to go left, but a local person told me the right way.
That happens. Sometimes maps are wrong.
Do you like using paper maps?
Not really. They are big and hard to fold.
Yes. And it takes time to find the right street.
But paper maps don't need internet, so they are good for traveling.
That's true. When I was on vacation, my phone died, and I had to use a paper map.
Oh no! Was it hard?
A little. But I asked for help, and someone showed me the way.
That's great. People are usually kind when you ask for directions.
Yes. What do you say when you ask for directions?
I usually say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for," and then the place name.
Oh, that's a good way to ask.
And if I don't understand, I say, "Can you say that again, please?"
That's smart. Sometimes people speak too fast.
Yes. And if they point, I watch carefully.
Right. People often use their hands to show directions.
Yes. Like pointing left or right. It helps a lot.
Okay, let's practice. Where is the coffee shop?
Walk 2 blocks straight, turn left, past the library, then turn right.
Perfect. Let's go before we forget.
Good idea. David. Do you like cooking?
I don't cook much, but I like food.
Everyone likes food. But cooking is fun too. You should try it more.
I don't know. Cooking seems hard. There are too many steps.
It's not that hard. Some meals are easy. You just need to practice.
Maybe. What are you making now?
I'm making pasta with tomato sauce. It's very simple.
Oh. I like pasta. How do you make it?
First, I boil water in a big pot. When the water is hot, I add the pasta.
How long do you cook the pasta?
About 10 minutes. But I check it to make sure it's soft.
What about the sauce?
I use tomatoes, garlic, onion, and some spices. First, I cut the onion and garlic.
I don't like cutting onions. They make me cry.
Me too. But if you put them in the fridge first, it helps.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes. After I cut the onion and garlic, I cook them in a pan with olive oil.
That smells good. What's next?
Then, I add chopped tomatoes and some salt and pepper. I let it cook for a few minutes.
Do you add anything else?
Sometimes I add basil or cheese. It makes the sauce taste better.
That sounds easy. I think I can make this.
Of course. Anyone can cook. You just have to try.
What about meat? Can I add chicken?
Yes. You can cook the chicken first, then add it to the sauce.
Nice. What do you do when the pasta is ready?
I drain the water, then mix the pasta with the sauce. And it's done.
That's it? So simple.
Yes. Now, let's taste it.
Wow, this is really good.
See? Cooking is not so hard.
You're right. I'm going to try cooking more often.
Great. Next time, you can cook for me.
Okay, but don't expect it to be perfect.
That's okay. Cooking is about learning and having fun. David, do you like cars?
Yes. I love cars. What about you?
I like cars, but I don't know much about them.
That's okay. Cars are fun to learn about.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a small car. It's good on gas.
Oh, that's nice. Gas is expensive.
Yes. That's why I like my car. It doesn't use too much gas.
I want a car that is easy to park.
Then a small car is best. Big cars are hard to park.
Yeah, I don't like parking in small spaces.
Me neither. Parallel parking is the hardest.
Oh, I hate parallel parking. It takes me so long.
Me too. I always have to try 2 or 3 times.
What about fast cars? Do you like sports cars?
Yes. Sports cars look so cool. But they are expensive.
Yeah, and they use a lot of gas.
That's true. And the insurance is expensive too.
Oh, I forgot about insurance. Do you pay a lot for insurance?
Not too much. My car is small, so insurance is cheaper.
That's good. I want a car that is cheap to take care of.
Then you should get a car that is good on gas and has cheap parts.
Oh, I didn't think about that. Some car parts are very expensive.
Yes. If you buy a car, check how much repairs cost first.
That's smart advice. What's your dream car?
I want an electric car.
Oh. Why?
Because electric cars don't use gas. They are better for the environment.
That's true. But they are expensive, right?
Yes, but you save money because you don't buy gas.
Maybe I should get an electric car too.
That would be great. But you need a charger at home.
Oh, I forgot about that. Charging takes time too.
Yes. But electric cars are getting better every year.
That's true. Maybe in the future, all cars will be electric.
Maybe. Cars are changing fast.
Yes. I just want a car that is easy to drive and cheap to own.
Then a small car is best for you.
I think so too. Thanks for the advice, David.
No problem. Let's go for a drive.
Okay. But you drive, I don't like parking.
Deal.